Dear Sweros, some integration problems are taken which were given you in unit test. So let us see their solutions. I have taken chosen problems only, that is selected problems. So this is a question given to you. Let me read it and evaluate integral 2x plus 6 whole power 5 dx. Evaluate integral 2x plus 6 whole power 5 dx. So this is called integrand, which is I. So first step is I is equal to integral 2x plus 6 whole power 5 dx. Here I am choosing substitution method. So what is substituted here? This term is substituted by t. So let 2x plus 6 is equal to t here. Differentiate both the sides. After differentiation, here it will become 2 dx. Constant differentiation is 0. It is dt. So 2 dx is equal to dt here. Now there is a process in substitution. Let me give the number 1 to this, and this is a second and this is third. Now from 1, that is the first step is taken again here. I is equal to integral 2x plus 6 whole power 5 dx. Here one change you have to observe, that is 2 by 2 is taken. If you cancel, you get same 1 only. Here 1. This 1 is written as 2 by 2 in it, because I want to take dx as 2 dx here. So to get to 2, what should we do? We should multiply and divide by 2. That is the plan. So 1, 2 is taken inside here. So half remains here. 1 by 2 integral this part into 2 dx. Okay. In next step it will become half integral. Here replaced. T is replaced. 2x plus 6 is replaced by t here. And this 2 dx also is replaced by dt. How? You can see equations 2, 3. So with the help of those two equations, we wrote this step. So what those two are, let us see here. So where is equation to this one? 2x plus 6 is t. In place of 2x plus 6, I am taking t. And from 3, this 2 dx is replaced by dt in it. So this is a form. Now half is taken. T power 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 plus c. This is integral constant. We should write it after integration. So its answer is t power 6 by 6. There is a formula. Integral x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This is a formula used in this exercise, in this chapter, integration. This is one of the formulas which is used. So again I repeat it. What is it? Integral x power n, where n is natural number. N is a real number, of course, and x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So that is applied in this step. So by 6 2s are 12, t power 6. And after simplification, in place of t, we have to write 2x plus 6 in it. So from here, what should we do? In place of t, we should take 2x plus 6 whole power 6 by 12 plus c. So with which step we are taking this from? T is replaced means from equation 2. You can go and see 2. What is 2 here? T is 2x plus 6. So in place of t, we are taking 2x plus 6. This is answer. This question is for Ashwini Sabita. And the next question is evaluate integral e power 1 minus x dx. So evaluate integral e power 1 minus x dx. Solution. This is also integrand I is equal to this much. Here also I am using substitution method. So what is substituted in it? 1 minus x is substituted by t. So here also we give the numbers, okay. So this is equation 1 and 1 minus x is equal to t is equation 2. After differentiate, here see what happened. For 1, differentiation is 0. Any constant's differentiation is 0 and minus x differentiation is minus 1 dx, that is minus dx. Here for t differentiation is dt. So differentiate LHS RHS, so that we got this step. So this is also given as 3 equation. Now let us go to equation 1. We repeat the same step, that is from 1 means equation 1 is taken here. I is equal to, and if you observe dt is to be taken as minus dx, but there is no minus dx in it. So what should we do? Minus into minus should be taken. That will become plus only. So minus into minus, here you can see that minus of integral e power 1 minus x minus dx. To get minus, we have to do like this. And next here for minus only integral, in place of 1 minus x take t e power t, and in place of minus dx dt should come. So this step came with the help of equations 2 and 3, and afterwards we have to integrate it. So for minus only is kept. Integral e power t, integration is e power t only, plus c. Don't forget to write plus c here. So minus e power, in place of t again take the original value, that is 1 minus x plus c. So it came from equation 2. Okay, so this is answer. Here which formula is applied? Integral e power x dx is equal to e power x plus c. This is also one of the formulas required. So it was used in this step. Okay, and this was asked by Sweta Maithili. So for them I have done this. And next question is evaluate. Important question and somewhat typical. So you have to be very careful while doing these types of questions. So let me read the question first. Evaluate integral 2x plus 3 into root of 2x minus 1 dx. So first step is as usual, it is taken as I. Equation 1. Substitution method is used. In root, the term which is given is taken as t. 2x minus 1 is t. So after changing equation 1, we get a root t in it. So root t you can see here. So this is differentiated now. When you differentiate LHS RHS, here it will become 2 dx. It is 2 dt. Sorry, just dt. So this is equation 3. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. This is equation 3. Now what is there in integrand? This can be changed in as t. This can be changed as some dt. But what about this? So we have to think of it. 2x plus 3. See, 2x plus 3. We can write it in these in 2x minus 1 terms. That is, 2x plus 3 is rearranged as 2x minus 1 plus 4. See what happened? To get plus 3, 4 minus 1 is how much? 3 only. So 2x plus 3 is written as 2x minus 1 plus 4. Why? Because in this place we are going to substitute t in it. That is t plus 4. So this is equation 4. Now take equation 1 first. Okay, in equation 1, for 2 dx, we have to divide and multiply 2. So 2 by 2. After cancellation we get 1 only. But we don't cancel it. We want 2 dx. That's why 2 by 2. And remaining is same. Next step, this 2 is taken inside. Here 2 dx. And here 1 by 2 remains. And in next step, half integral. This is replaced by t plus 4. And this is replaced by t. And this dx is as 2 dx replaced by dt here. So this step came with the help of equations 2, 3, 4 in it. And next step, half integral. Here t root t, 4 root t. T root t, 4 root t. Separately I have taken integral. There are two terms, 2 times taking integral, 2 times taking half. You can see 1 by 2 here. Here also 1 by 2 is taken. 4 by 2. 4 ones are 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. And t root t. 4 root t. 4 came outside, no? Root t. So half. Here what happened? T power 1, t power half. Just t means, root t means t power half. Don't forget it. Root t means t power half, radical form. So here in place of root t, we have to take t power half. T power half into t power 1. Bases are same, powers are added. 1 plus half, 3 by 2, 1 and half. So half integral t power 3 by 2 dt plus here 2 integral. This is written as t power half dt. Here I forgot to write dt. We have to write dt here also. We should not forget it. Okay, let me take the time, take the place, then I will write. So is equal to half integral t root t dt. Okay. So in next step it will become half. Already I have to explain you. And in next step here formula is applied so that we are getting this step. And in next step it will become half into t power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2. When you take LCM, here 3 by 2 plus 1 is equal to, here by 1, LCM is 2. 3 plus 2, that is 5 by 2. So this 5 by 2 is taken here in it. You can see this 5 by 2 in it here. 3 by 2 plus 1 is 5 by 2. Here also 5 by 2. Same LCM. After taking LCM, half plus 1, 1 and half means 3 by 2. In denominator also 3 by 2 should come. And half into, its reciprocal. When you take it up, that is, it will be reversed. 2 by 5. 2 t power 5 by 2. This also can be taken as 2 by 3. T power 3 by 2. And 2 cancel here. 1 by 5. T power 5 by 2 plus 2 2 is 4 by 3. T power 3 by 2 plus c. And c. Next. From this onwards. Here 2 cancel, no? And 1 by 5. T power 5 by 2 plus 4 by 3. T power 3 by 2 plus c. 1 by 5 same. T, okay. And this is written as t power, okay, t power 5 by 2 is rewritten as t power 4 plus 1 by 2. That is t power 4 by 2 plus 1 by 2. That is t power 4 by 2 into t power half. So this has happened in this step. You have to be very keen in observing. That is, t power 5 by 2 is nothing but 5 is 4 plus 1. Split it. 4 by 2 half. And cancel. So t square into t power half. T power half is nothing but, what did I say? It is root t. So root t should come. So t square root t. Here also 3 by 2 is written as 2 plus 1 by 2. That is 2 by 2 plus half. So t root t here. In place of t, the original terms are applied. What they are? You can see them in equation 2. T is nothing but 2x minus 1. Put 2x minus 1 here in place of t. That is 2x minus 1 whole square root 2x minus 1 4 by 3 into 2x minus 1 root 2x minus 1 plus c. This was asked by Sabita, Sampurna, Maithili, Kirtana. Okay, for you guys I have explained. And next, evaluate. One more question, evaluate integral x square plus 3x minus 2 by root x dx. This is our question. I is equal to this much. And afterwards this root x split, write separately 1, 2, 3 terms, 1, 2, 3 by taking root x separately. Next step, integral dx separately taken for all 3 terms. While writing the second and third terms, this constant term is taken outside. You can take like this. It will be 2 ones are 2 only. So 2 taken outside. Okay. And in next step, this is a x power half here. Okay. And here bases are same, powers are subtracted. I am subtracting here. 1. There is nothing means there is 1, not 0, 1. 1 minus half. Here it is coming up means x power minus half. Power symbol changed. Integral. Here 3 by 2. Here half. Here minus half. Next step, formula is applied. So that we get the next step. Here also simplification is done. And while taking this step, 3 by 2, when you take upwards, it will become 2 by 3. So here it is 2 by 3. And like that we should go forward. So here also you can cancel 2 ones are 2 twos are 4 like that. And last step is x square root x plus 2x root x minus 4 root x plus c. This was for Manasa and Maithili. They asked me how to do. And next question is evaluate integral 2 x power 4 by x power 5 plus 1 dx. Here also let us take substitution method in here also in this. So substitution method means we have to go with x power 5 plus 1 is taken as t in it. X power 5 plus 1 is taken as t. So differentiate both the sides. We get 5x power 4 dx is equal to dt. So here also I have given numbers 1, 2, 3. So from 1, take the repeated equation. 2 is coming outside. 2 integral x power 4 by x power 5 plus 1 dx. And in substitution, after differentiating, we got in equation 3. What did you observe? Equation 3, you got 5x power 4 there. So to get 5, in the last step, bottom of this screen, we are multiplying and adding 5, no? So 2 by 5 into 5x power 4 by x power 5 plus 1 dx. Because in place of 5x power 4 dx, we are going to substitute dt. And in denominator, we are going to put t. That is going to be done. That is 2 by 5 integral dt by t. So 1 by t integration is log t. That comes in the last step. And again mod t, in place of t we should take x power 5 plus 1. See equation 2. So 2 by 5 log of x power 5 plus 1 plus c. So this is answer to this question. So this is for Manasa, Sampurna, Maithili and Kirtana. They asked me how to do. I always there to help you if you ask. If you don't ask, I don't do anything. So Asking doubts is must and should. You are not asking means you are not at all interested in doing maths. While uh, uh, doing problems, you should get so many doubts. You are asking nothing means you are not trying single step also to do yourself. You are always trying to copy from others. That is very bad, no? Dear children, let us see next problem. Evaluate integral log x square by x dx. Here I have kept that equation 1, substitution method. That ln x square is taken as t there. So differentiating both the sides. So generally for log x differentiation is 1 by x. Here x square, function in function. So that x square, log x square is 1 by x square, differentiation, after differentiation. Again we have to differentiate x square also in it. That's why we get 2x there. X cancelled. So 2 by x dx is equal to dt there. So we gave numbers 1, 2, 3. So from 1, see what is step 1. That is repeated here. And after that, why I am taking 2 by 2? Think once. Very good, you are right. I want 2 dx. 2 by x dx. So to get 2, I have to take 2 by 2 there. In next step, 2 goes inside. See, half remains outside. That numerator part to taken inside. 2 by x dx. Because I am going to substitute equations 2, 3 there. What is equation 2? ln x square is equal to t. So in place of ln x square I am going to write t. In place of 2 by x dx I am going to write dt. That is the next step. See, half integral t dt. And integral t is t square by 2. So half into t square by 2, which is t square by 4. So in place of t, we should write ln x square, no? So ln x square whole square, because t square. T is having square already, that is ln x square. In place of t, see equation 2, ln x square itself is t. So in place of t I am writing ln x square, and t square means I am going to put one more square there by taking whole square, putting bracket by 4 plus c. That is answer for this. So this is asked by Yashoda, and I am explaining it for Yashoda. Thank you for